What if I told you the money sitting in your leaky faucet, broken dryer, and squeaky door hinge could have paid for my kids' tuition? Sounds dramatic, but let me explain. Here's the thing. Most of us ignore small repairs or call someone in for every little fix. But those quick calls add up. Hundreds, sometimes thousands every year. I decided to flip the script. Instead of outsourcing, I started teaching myself how to fix things at home. And honestly, that decision saved me thousands of dollars and more than a few headaches. Let me walk you through the fixes that made the biggest difference. It started with a drip. One leaky faucet that drove me insane at night. A plumber quoted me $150 just to show up. Instead, I hopped on YouTube, bought a $5 replacement washer at the hardware store, and fixed it in 20 minutes. That one small repair taught me something huge. Most complicated home issues are just small parts wearing out. Then came the dryer. It stopped heating, and I panicked. New dryer? Around $800. Service call? $200 minimum. Instead, I found out it was just a clogged vent and a $12 thermal fuse. Once I swapped it out, the dryer worked like new. That's when I realized every time we rush to replace, we're paying a fear tax because we assume it's beyond us. Next up, furniture. A chair leg snapped, and my first instinct was to toss it. Instead, I bought a $4 set of corner braces and fixed it sturdier than before. Multiply that across every squeaky hinge, loose doorknob, or wobbly table. Those small repairs probably saved me another $500 in a single year. Now, I won't lie, some fixes tested my patience. I've been elbow deep in a toilet tank, wondering if I made a huge mistake. But each time I pushed through, I gained confidence. Eventually, I realized I wasn't just saving money, I was saving time. No waiting around for repair appointments, no scheduling stress. That's the sanity part of all this. When I added it all up, appliances, plumbing, little furniture fixes, I saved over $5,000 in 1 year. That money didn't disappear into repair bills. It went into my kids' tuition fund. And honestly, that felt better than buying anything new. So here's my challenge. The next time something breaks in your house, before you call for help, take 10 minutes to research. You might be surprised what you can do with $10 in parts and a screwdriver. DIY doesn't mean doing everything yourself. It means giving yourself permission to try before you buy, fix before you replace, and save before you spend. That mindset literally bought my kids' education, and it might just save yours too.